Trying to make some good old breakfast tacos, y'all. You did. Everybody, please be safe. Please subscribe. Say, y'all. Let's get it popping. You did. Showtime. Pop out right there, y'all. What it do, what it do, what it do, y'all. We finna look at some tacos. Some breakfast tacos. Already, everybody. So, hey, let's get it going. Let's get it going. You know what I'm talking about? Time is flying. Yeah, man. Get these tortillas up on here, y'all. What's up with it? Good morning, everybody. We live. Let's get it. Taco. You know what I'm talking about, y'all? So we can do some tacos real quick, y'all. You know what I'm saying? Please be safe, everybody. No cap, man. Get these tacos up on here, y'all. Good morning, y'all. How y'all doing, man? You already know we're gonna stay popping, y'all. You already know, man. We're gonna hook up these good old tacos, everybody. Please be safe, everybody. And let's get it. Yeah. We doing some breakfast tacos, everybody. Please be safe. It's going down. Check it out, y'all. Yeah. You know I gotta put some seasoning on them tortillas. You know what I'm saying? What's up with it, y'all? Good morning, good morning, good morning. What's up with it, y'all? It's showtime, man. We finna hook up some good old breakfast, y'all. You hear me? No cap, y'all. It's going down. You heard me? Yeah. Appreciate everybody. Represent your boy. You already know. You know what I'm saying? Appreciate everybody. Appreciate y'all coming to the live represent. You know what I'm talking about? Yeah, y'all. I want to let everybody know, y'all. The other channel hit 60K. What's up with it? Yeah, good morning, everybody. Yeah, Cook My Love just hit 60K, y'all. You hear me? Yeah, y'all. Yeah. Hit 60K, y'all. No cap, y'all. So, yeah, we doing the damn thing, y'all. You hear me? Yeah, y'all. We doing the thing. Yeah. 60K, y'all. You hear me? That baby hit 60K, everybody. Ooh, wait. God, dog. That's what's up, y'all. I told y'all, man. Keep grinding, y'all. Keep grinding, y'all. Yeah, man. We make some good old breakfast tacos.